and you could go there, and typically these government contracting companies will pay for your room and board, pay for your expenses, but also the money that you make over there, as long as you stay outside of the US for 360 days out of the year, it will be considered tax free up until 150,000. So you're going to be able to get a lot of those expenses paid, and then you literally, if you qualify, you could make up to 150,000 tax free, meaning that you're keeping a lot of your gross income that you're making over there, which is a big perk because now your living expenses are very low and you're making a lot of money. So I recommend going on clearance jobs, looking into different roles that you may qualify for. Some of you may have the jobs that you did in the military that are on there that you have experience for, that you'll have certain incentives that they'll look at you as a veteran and go, okay, I'll count that experience. Your clearance is still active. Your education is good. Your certifications look good. And you could literally get some of these high paying roles right out of service, or right now, if you're already a veteran, you could be starting applying now. Another one that I want to talk about is debt relief programs. So there's different debt relief programs where if you come in the military or you're a veteran, there's debt loan forgiveness programs. A big one, a lot of programs for service members, they'll forgive student loans. Some of you probably signed up. I know the Army, they use this as a big marketing tactic to get people to join. Like when they sign the contract, that's a part of what they agree to, is that the Army will pay back a lot of their student loans in full, that their debt will be forgiven by the government. So that's a big one too, is like student loan forgiveness. But to the Service Member Civil Relief Act, you can also have mortgage payments delayed. Say you're in a hardship, you just got off active duty up to 9 months after, and you're having trouble paying your mortgage, you're in a tight space. They can give you a grace period of 9 months under the Civil Service Relief Act. You can have your debt interest rates capped at 6%. Say you have a credit card debt, like you have a high interest credit card debt, and a lot of times that can be 30% APR, it can be 20% APR. It's usually really high interest debt. You can have that capped up to 6%, which will allow you to pay your debt down faster. Student loans, of course, is a big one. A lot of people, if you didn't come straight out of the high school, people have student loans for different things, which can be upwards of, hundreds, thousands of dollars, depending on where you went to school and different things like that. So getting that debt reduced, getting the interest rate lowered can help you pay it down faster so that you can get out of debt quicker, and you're obviously able to build wealth a lot faster without that debt weighing you down. That's a big one. The third one that I want to go over would be VA home loans, because you're able to do things like no payment, no down payment down. You don't need private mortgage insurance if people aren't familiar with that. Usually, if you don't put down 20% on a property, a lot of